All right, we're here at Santa Fe Century. Woo!
We're gonna do 50.
We're gonna do 50 miles, maybe 25.
50.
Nice beanie. I'm gonna do 20 on the mountain bikes. All right. Here's the bike. Everybody's already going out. We're supposed to start at 9. Guess we'll see how it goes. Hey ladies.
Hey there.
So you're gonna wait till 9 or you guys wanna go? I don't see anybody else with mountain bikes. I saw a couple people, I asked them and they said they weren't doing it.
Hey, about 2 minutes till 9 o'clock. There's still breakfast left in the white
I have
tent.
a couple friends that are supposed to
Make your way up to the traffic circle to
Oh yeah,
start.
look, there's 2 more there.
And just follow the signs for your particular event.
Two more mountain bikes in
Thank you for participating in the 2019 Santa Fe Century.
Good, I have a question. This mountain bike, do we have to start at 9?
No, you can start whenever you want, man.
Okay.
Yep.
So according, I don't know if you can help me, this is my first time.
Sure.
So we go out here and then there's an actual place for the trail where it says that?
Let me see, what we're doing here. Okay, I know there's if you go up to the traffic circle here, there's some signs.
Signs that tell you where to go?
Yeah, and so this looks like it's taking you, yeah, so you're gonna go east and then over to the road and then down here to Eldorado and back. Yeah. Yeah, so if you go up here to the traffic circle, there's gonna be signs and they say once you get out there there's like orange flags that you look for.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just asked the guy, he said you can take off whenever. And he says there's signs that say Spur Trail. So we'll be taking the left down here and then he said we should see some signs.
Looks like it's about a mile or so. Looks like about a mile.
Yeah.
Yesterday's gone. And tomorrow
bicycle, bicycle, I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bike. I want to ride my bicycle.
I want to ride my bike. I wake up, I get dressed, go back to sleep. Get up again and then I slowly creep through the house. It's fucking dark, I can't see. Make sure that I lock the door behind me. I head downstairs, unlock the bike, hop on and say peace out to the night. Y'all, the sun is slowly rising in the east. It's just another day, part of another week. I hit the street, make a right, head up the hill. Wait at the light so that I don't get killed by an early morning driver. I'm an early morning bike rider and I'ma try to be a survivor through the light now. Make a left and make a right now. My neighborhood's no longer in sight now, but it's all good, it'll be alright now. I light up the pipe and ride high as a kite.
Yeah, I
now my
didn't see
head
any
in
of the
the
other
clouds
signs.
as I explode. Still kinda drunk from the night before, but I'll still get to where I got to go on my bicycle. That's how I roll. I said a 14 years in a pair of heels. When I'm on my bicycle, do tricks cause I got no skills.
He said watch out for the orange flags, but it doesn't tell you the trail.
Really like going downhill.
So here's the start. They go through that. Then there's a gravel route that should just go straight back. And when you're, let me just think. If this is
So you're saying it's actual gravel, not pavement?
right here, and then it gets onto there's a spur trail back here, and it's all dirt.
My sleep to wipe away the tears. The hill swings up, so I shift gears. Back in the days, I used to get scared. See, when I was a kid,
I assume that's the trail because you can't go further that way.
Get run down. But nowadays, I'm hogging lanes. Mad dog and drivers like, what's up, man? Don't get me wrong. I just
And we go
want you
to the
see me.
left.
I ain't trying to get hit, please believe me. End up on the TV.
Yeah, that's-
in the evening.
They could at least put a sign naming it.
When I'm on my bicycle, ain't trying to fuck around and get killed. When I'm on my bicycle, like the way the pavement feels. When I'm on my bicycle, is why I always yield. When I'm on my bicycle, y'all, I ride my bike both day and night. I ride my bike to the open mic. I have a few drinks and I might swerve and ride my bike right into the curb. But I'll get back on and I'll ride some more and act like it was intentional. Make a quick stop at the liquor store right before I ride the bike to my show. I ride my bike both near and far. I ride my bike cause I can't drive my car. I ride my bike all over the place, but I still got a beer belly and a jelly face. I ride my bike when I get crunk on the last Friday of the month. You can call me a drunk if you want, I'll let ya, but you better not talk about my bicicleta. Shit, I've been known to keep it real when I'm on my bicycle. How many 40s can I conceal when I'm on my bicycle? You can take a sip, but you better not spill. When I'm on my bicycle, I've been doing things that are illegal. When I'm on my bicycle, honestly, I didn't start riding till the CHP took away my license. I guess they didn't like the way that I was driving. I don't know why though. Psych, I'm I in the DMV. Try to tell me that I wasn't driving responsibly. Were they right? Probably. But that don't mean they'll be stopping me from getting to where I got to be. The cops ain't the motherfucking boss of me. Shit, they might try roadblocking me, but I'll hop a tree like I got you right in front of me. You want some of me? I'll fly by the moon, buzz like a bumblebee. When I'm on the bike, you can't fade me. Chase me, all the speed, make it home safely. Y'all know me, I'm the R.O.B. D-double-E to the zigzag Z. I'm just trying to get from point A to point B on my B-I-C-Y-C-L-E shit. I know how to rhyme and
I heard it. You're doing better than me, and I'm on a bike. Whew.